to you today with a tutorial about how you go from this 613 blonde Barbie doll hair to a nice pale blonde, nice icy pale blonde. So I'm going to show you how I get that done, and I'm also going to show you how you tint the knots of a 613 wig for our brown skin ladies. You know, sometimes you see the white dots and it just doesn't look good. So I'm going to show you how you can tint the knots of your 613 wig. I'm going to show you my little special technique. So stay tuned. No more Barbie doll blonde. What's up, goodies? Alright, y'all, so I'm going to show you what I use to tint the knots of a 613 frontal. So the first thing you're going to need two of these Wella colors. You're going to need 7B and you're going to need 7NN. Alright, you can find that at Sally's Sally's Beauty Supply, where you would find it, honestly. I don't know any other store that will carry Wella, but Sally's is where I got this from. And then what are you going to do? You're going to need a mixing bowl and a brush. And then you're going to put these two colors. You're just going to put a little bit because you're only trying to cover the frontal area of the unit. And you're going to need a 30 developer, or 20 to 30 developer is fine. And you're going to mix them up in a bowl to a creamy consistency. Not too thick, because you don't need it to be super thick, like for instance like bleach, but you need at least a creamy consistency. Alright, so after we do that, what we do, we just put it right on this lace, right on here, lightly, so that, like I said, to make the knots darker. So all you have to do is literally just put it on here and leave it on for 5 minutes. I repeat, 5 minutes, no more, no less, okay? If you're interested, continue watching and I will start the process. So I'm mixing the two colors together with the 20 volume and I'm applying it on the lace. So what you're going to do, you just apply it very lightly. Don't press too hard because you don't want it to push through the lace. So just take your time and make sure you cover where all of the knots are. Alright, y'all, so let me show y'all. I have tinted the knots on this 613 frontal. So now you just let it sit for 5 minutes. Like I said, 5 minutes after you completely cover the whole lace where the knots are. 5 minutes only, okay? So I'll see you back in 5 minutes. Alright, y'all, so this is the tinted knots of the 613. Do you see that? Come up closer. You see there's no white dots, right? Let me go a little bit more. Look at it on my skin tone, y'all. No nuts. Next step, we are going to color this hair using Wella Color Charm again. Well, not again, but Wella Color Charm in the color T11. That is the lightest beige blonde. This is for my client. She still wants it to be like a beige-ish, but really light beige blonde instead of this yellow Barbie blonde. So we're going to go and tone that. So when you're mixing the toners, you're going to need your volume, which I have my 20 volume. You have 1 bottle of toner. You empty it out, which I will do right now for you guys so you can see what I'm doing. So you empty your toner in here, and then you put 2 parts 20 developer. So you fill up the bottle with your 20 developer to the top. Right? You don't pour it in now. Make sure you get everything. I might not even need the 2 bottles, but I like to just buy extra just to be safe. It's better that you have more than less, because if you have less and you have more hair, you're fucked. Yeah, pretty much. So it's better always to buy more, ladies. I filled up the bottle 2 times, so this was the second time, and now I am emptying it in my mixing bowl. And then you just mix it all together. I'm going to mix that up for you in the video coming up soon. Just continue watching if you want to see how it goes from this Barbie blonde to a nice pretty light beige blonde. Alright, stay tuned. So I'm just applying the color or the toner onto the hair section by section. I usually section the hair in 4 parts. Then I go from the bottom to the top and then work my way through the whole wig. I just take my time, especially on the frontal part. You don't want to get the toner on your lace, although it's a light color so it won't really affect the lace, but I just try to practice that, not to get the color onto the lace. Okay, and just continue watching. Finished toning the wig. So now what I'm going to do, let it sit for 20 to 25 minutes, and then I'm going to wash it out, and then I'm going to show you the finished result when I let it dry. Now, come get into that color, yo. This is popping. Nice beige blonde. Look at that. Yes. No Barbie blondes over here. Yes. Nicely toned. Yes, come through, color. Yes. We're looking at. See that? No white dots. And when it's glued to the skin, it's gonna go perfectly. You won't even see it. Melt right into the fucking skin. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys liked it. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social medias, which I will have in my description box below. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Image Envy out.